So there is a very specific type of business owners that I keep running into. They are good at what they do, their clients get results, their product works, but behind the scenes, it's complete chaos. Broken processes, tasks not delivered, a team that doesn't know who owns what, and they don't talk about it. Not to their team, not to their peers, not online. They just keep going, hoping it fixes itself. Most of these businesses are even the type who would advertise themselves with headlines like these. We fix what's slowing your business down. We streamline your operation. We help you go from chaos to clarity and stuff like that. What makes this dangerous is actually the silence around it. So most business owners in this position aren't looking for help yet because they don't realize they're already past the warning signs. They are measuring the wrong things. I mean, revenue may look great. The pipeline also may feel active, but the churn is climbing. The team is burning out. You don't know about it till it's too late. And the founder is doing things that should be automated, things that should be delegated. I've seen this pattern enough times to recognize it before the business owner does. Because the signs are always there in how they describe their week, in how their offers are structured, in what they say they are working on fixing or we're working on right now. So my work focuses on building the systems, documentation, and workflows that let a business grow without breaking. I've worked with over 350 clients across industries, and the ones who come to me early, I build for them something solid. But the ones who come to me after the collapse are the ones I rebuild stuff for, but it costs them much more than the first type. In time, in clients, and in energy. So the difference between those two outcomes is usually just one conversation that happened too late. If you're watching this and something landed, if you recognized your business in any part of what I just described, don't wait for the cancellation email to tell you something is wrong. Send me a message. We will talk through what's actually happening in your operations. No pitch, no pressure, just clarity on where you are and what needs to move fast or what I can do for you.